In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Form to Wix website. To begin, go back to your Wix site editor so you are on the main workspace canvas. This is where you will place the element that visitors can click to open your Google Form. On the left side of the editor, you will see the vertical toolbar. Click the plus icon labeled Add Elements. This opens the panel where you can insert new content and design elements onto your page. From there, move your cursor over the button category. Wix offers a few button styles, but for this setup, choose a simple text button design. A clean text button works well because it is easy to read and gives your visitors a clear action to take. Once you select it, the button will appear on your page, and you can position it where it makes the most sense for your layout. Next, click on the button you just added. When the button is selected, a small floating toolbar will appear near it. On that toolbar, click the link icon, which looks like a chain. This is the setting that lets you decide where the button should send people when they click it. In the link options, choose web address. You will then see a field where you can paste the Google Form link you copied earlier. Make sure the full form URL is pasted correctly so the button leads directly to your form. This is an important part because even a small mistake in the link can prevent the form from opening properly for your site visitors. After the link is added, click back on the button element and choose Change Text. Update the label to something clear and direct, such as Fill Out Form. Using simple action-focused text helps visitors immediately understand what the button is for. If you want your page to feel more polished, make sure the wording matches the style and purpose of your website. Once everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the Wix editor and click the blue Publish button. Publishing makes your changes live, so visitors to your site will be able to see the button and use it to access your Google Form. That is the full process for adding a Google Form to your Wix website. That covers everything you need to know.